This is system test 2. So the first thing over here we have is the RSG-LP pole station. And up here we have a Siemens UMMT and a fire alarm and actuator. And over here we have an BG8 and a system sensor mass. And let's go downstairs. Over here we have an F1GG Chevron, and up here we have an MTS-5075. Alright, let's go upstairs. Let's go back upstairs and start with the test. So, let's go ahead. Start with the test. What are you doing? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's go ahead and pull the BG8. Alright, everyone, let's reset these. And let's go reset the BG8. Alright, everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed and thank you so much for watching. Peace out.